Hi everyone. I am going to introduce you to the MonsterOne by Template Monster. MonsterOne is a subscription service that provides access to a wide variety of digital assets, including website templates, themes, graphics, stock photos, and more. It is aimed primarily at web designers, developers, and creatives who need high-quality resources for their projects. Link to this website mentioned in the description of the video. In this video I cover the graphic section. This offers a wide range of graphic design assets. With a subscription, you can access unlimited downloads of various graphical assets, which is especially useful if you're working on multiple projects. And its collection updates regularly. You can see thousands of graphics-related assets available here. You can check the trending graphic, the newest ones, the popular, and the undiscovered. Here, you'll find a vast collection of icons, thousands of logos, mockups, Instagram story templates, company profiles, brochures, logo type fonts, CV templates, and countless items for your project. You can also select the file as per type and topic from here. It's definitely worth your money. I have downloaded some file and I will show how easy it is to edit and use them for your projects. First, let's take a look at this modern font from MonsterOne. You can use it for your logo project and in any other places you like. Then I have a logo folder in which hundreds of logos are available in editable form. Professional logos, beauty-related logo, roofing logo, and all the other categories. Let's check one of them. Here we have each logo in zip format. And here are the images to preview. In the zip folder, we have a complete logo package. You can easily edit this with Illustrator and Photoshop. And here are the editable files. I downloaded a menu file. Let's see how much it is editable. And anything in it is totally editable. Then I have this website in PSD format. Let's open the homepage. And anything in it is totally editable. Fonts, images, everything. You can add your own image, change the font and color, etc. with one click. and all the assets, including image, plug-ins, scripts are available with the file. Every section has a separate PSD file. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.